Well, I just installed this Home Depot Home Decorators Collection Kitteridge 52-inch ceiling fan. It's damp rated. I wanted a ceiling fan for this bath because when you use the shower or the tub or whatever, especially in the summertime here in the southern part of Texas, it gets steamy in here and fogs up this large mirror that we have in here, and it takes a while for it to clear out, and wanted something that would kind of really clear the steam out of here in a hurry. And this is a very simple fan. It's all matte black, and as you can see, it's got very clean lines. It fit in perfect where we needed it. It matches the dark hardware we have and the dark fixtures we have in this bathroom. As you can see, we have all dark cabinet knobs and things, and we had plenty of light in here, so I had a light up there and didn't really need it because we have these vanity lights here. And so decided, well, we'll try this, and since it was damp rated and since we had a circuit that's on a ground fault, well, I just wired it up and it works out great. I'll give you a little demonstration. It has a little simple slide right here, and you cut it on. And I'm going to go up here to low, and I'll let you see. The fan turns very smooth, no wobble, no noise. Everything is very smooth. Now, a real key here is, one thing we've learned from practice with this is we have it in reverse. And that's a lot better for a bathroom, because even though this has a high ceiling, you don't want that breeze blowing right down on you when you're wet. But what it does is it blows it up toward the ceiling and then back down the walls, and it helps clear this steam out of here in a hurry. And so there's low. Then you can go to medium, and that's probably about the highest we'll use it in here. And I'll let it get on up to speed where you can see it at medium, and it's very quiet. You can barely hear it. Got a real clean underside here with no showing screws or anything. That actually just screws in very easy. This whole fan was very easy to install. And then go to high, which on high it really moves a lot of air, but it's really not that great for a bathroom. It moves a little too much air, makes a little bit too much noise for this size bath. So that's the Home Depot Kitteridge, and it is a 52-inch. Thank you very much.